The Snorkel S3006P is designed to provide a safe solution to low-level working at height. With an overall width of 2 feet 4 inches, its narrow dimensions make it easy to transport between jobs. Raise this push-around mini scissor lift to a maximum platform height of 6 feet 6 inches for various indoor applications. An auto brake system ensures that the lift is safely locked in place when the scissor is elevated, even if the foot brake is not applied. With safety in mind, the emergency lowering system is hand-operated from the ground level to manually lower the scissor lift if needed. Foot brakes at both back wheels lock the stowed machine in place without effort. Slide-out service trays provide easy access to all key components for quick maintenance and repairs. On either side of the chassis, forklift pockets are built right in for added stability. To prevent damage, the lower control panel is recessed into the side of the chassis. And keeping the scissor lift powered is an integrated multi-voltage battery charger. It is readily accessible with an easy-to-read battery charge indicator. On the platform, saloon-style swing gates provide easy access, even when carrying tools and materials. From there, simple push-button controls offer user-friendly operation for elevation and descent. When the platform is elevated, robust box-section scissor stacks provide a stable working platform and long working life. Finally, non-marking casters enable the lift to be pushed smoothly across any surface, leaving no trace or marks. Learn more about owning the compact Snorkel S3006P today at snorkellifts.com.